device and look left and look right. Go ahead and try it now. And for those of you on your computers or laptops, use your mouse to click and drag to look around. Go ahead and try it right now. Got it? Awesome. Let's get started.
360-degree video, virtual reality, immersive technology. Language learning can be difficult sometimes. Here's a new fun way to learn. Hi, I'm Teacher Jama, and I would love for you to learn English with me. Come along and join me on my adventures. Would you like to see more? Go to teacherjama.com and sign up now.